Okay, let's give a go. Let's have a go. Look at that beauty. Crispy, crunchy, gooey, melty, lovely. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, going to make a really simple toasted or grilled cheese sandwich. We've got grilled eggplant in there with 3 different types of cheese. Of course, look at it. It's fantastic. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here then. So, onion, thinly sliced. Tomato, thinly sliced. Fresh Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella cheese. I'm also going to add some cheddar. And here, my eggplant or aubergine, whatever you call that, cut quite thick. And what I've done with that, I just fried that in a pan with some salt and pepper, like, 3 or 4 minutes aside on a medium heat. A little bit of olive oil. Delicious. Okay, so we're going to need 4 slices of bread. I mean, yes, if you're using bread, you could be using a roll or some sort of like ciabatta or something. I've got this white bread. So 4 slices. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. Buttered. Now what I've done is I've melted buttered and I've brushed it on. Nice thin layer on all the corners. If you want, you can spread it on. There's the other 2 guys right there. Now, we're going to do butter outside. So we're going to flip these over. And then we're ready to move. Okay, so I've got some cheddar on there. We're going to go a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan. We're now going to go with tomato. Nice ripe juicy tomato here. Little bit of thinly sliced onion. Already looking totally amazing. Black pepper. Not adding salt, we've got all that cheese in there, that's going to be salty enough. Okay, next up, the eggplant. So I've roughly measured the eggplant to the sandwich. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely wonderful. A little bit more Parmesan. Then I've got some mozzarella. If you want, you could just go cheddar if you don't have that. What else could we add here? Maybe some fresh basil leaves. I don't have any fresh basil. If I did, I'd probably put it in, I think. A couple of olives maybe. But yeah, that's all beautiful. Okay, butter side up, on she goes. Butter side up, on she goes. Let's get to the press grill. Right, so here we go. I'm using one of these guys, ribbed, like a sort of George Foreman. It's not a George Foreman, it's actually a Black & Decker. I've got it on maximum heat. We're going to drop that on. I'm going to grab that other one. And what I'm going to do is just give them a little press. Get that on there. And off we go. Maximum heat, about 4 to 5 minutes. You know what we're looking for. Golden brownness. All right, shall we have a look? Oh, dearie me. Oh, dearie me. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oozing mozzarella, crunchy, crispy on the top. Yes! Crunchy. Beautiful. Beautifulness. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.